Tired of endless scrolling and still can't find that one specific seller on eBay? Let's dive right into how to pinpoint your favorite eBay sellers. First, head to the eBay homepage and locate the main search bar at the top. Instead of typing in the item you are looking for, type in the name of the seller you are trying to find, then click the search button. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find the seller's filter, click on it to expand the options. Under the Show Only section, you will see a blank space where you can type in the name of the seller. Type in the seller's exact username, then check the box next to it. Once you find your seller, take a look at their feedback score. This percentage right here will tell you their reputation and the quality of service they provide. Click on their username to explore their profile page. Once on their profile page, you can refine your search further. You will be able to sort by categories, price range, or even condition. This helps you locate exactly what you need from that seller. And there you have it. Finding a seller is really that simple. Now you can shop with confidence from your preferred eBay sellers. Don't forget to subscribe for more eBay tips and tricks.